Hi, my name is Burhanuddin Mustansir and this is my CS50P final project. It's called AI File Renamer. What it does is you give it a path to a file or a folder and it will rename all the files in that given path. So it uses the OCR to extract text from images and relevant tools to extract text from different file types like PDFs and docs. So so let's run the program. Here we go. Welcome to AI File Renamer. We can log in or sign up. I will log in and enter username and password. Here we are at the home section. So we can choose an action here. Dash R, dash P, dash Q or press dash H for help. So we'll press dash H and here's the guide to using AI File Renamer. Dash R, start file renaming sequence. Dash P, view or change preferences. Dash Q, exit the program or dash H for help. So we'll press dash P, go to the preferences section. We can enter new to add a new preference, P to go back, and press a number beside any preference to delete it. Right now I haven't used any preference, as you can see 0 out of 5 used. I will add a new preference and let's say I want all the letters to be capitalized. And these are the renaming rules each user can have. These are distinct for each user. Now we'll press P to go back and then go to the renaming section. Here we'll enter a path to a file or a folder. So here I have a folder, test underscore folder, and these are many images in this file. We will run the renaming sequence on this folder. Let's give it the path, test underscore folder, and it's renaming the files. Here you can see on the left the files are being renamed, and it also shows on the command line as the files are being renamed. And so for files that do not have any text in them, it will rename them to no text because it cannot extract any text if there isn't any text in the file. There it is, this was the AI file renamer. You can also change preferences. If I go ahead and remove my preference for capital letters, now you see the names right now, they're all in capital letters. And if I go ahead and remove them, the names will be in small letters again. So thank you. This was my CS50P final project.